you? Are you okay?
Yeah, I think I'm alright actually.
You banged your head or something?
Yeah, it's a bit of bruising and stuff, and the leg.
And your leg as well, so tell me exactly what happened.
Well, I think what happened was I was just walking and then this really big like hench 6'2" kind of guy knocked me out of nowhere.
You okay?
Watch where you're going, idiot!
That means unnecessary.
Unnecessary?
You okay? Do you want to calm down?
Unnecessary? I'll give you unnecessary!
Not the baby, no. Calm down. No, don't leave.
La, 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 la.
Oh, mate, stop. Look, help me out. Just lift me off here, yeah?
I'm late for my lesson, but I'm running late. I'm running late!
No.
After being left in a difficult position, it turned out that I needed some assistance. Some people even walk past without thinking to help. Some others were even less helpful.
Guys, help me out, come on.
You in a bin, bro. You're in a bin, mate.
Smelly, bro.
Literally, bro.
Help us out. Don't
Can you get whipped, bro?
mate.
You need to get whipped, bro. Stop it. Come on, bro.
Oh wait, teachers.
Bail! Give me my shoe back! Thank you!
And some others even thought it would be funny not to lend a hand.
I've been really disappointed with their behaviour recently. I know, it's been... that for Quick! Mr. Sparks coming!
No, help me! Guys!
What was that about Mr. Spark?
Some even just shouted at
Can you
me.
help me out of this bin, please?
What on earth are you doing in the bin? Get out of this bin immediately!
I'm
Look
sorry,
at your
miss,
top
I just-
button! Look at
I
your
got stuck in here.
trousers! This is ridiculous! Who on earth do you think you are? Come
sorry.
and have a look, Mrs. Gardner.
What? No, miss.
Ben,
No.
get out of
What?
that bin.
No, it's not my fault.
I've
I'm
never
sorry.
seen anything so ridiculous
No, like, can
in
you
my
just help
life.
me out?
Well,
Ridiculous! Get out of the bin!
Don't talk
you
back.
just are
Are you just going to
disgusting.
you disappointment? You're going nowhere.
Why are you
Yeah, why are you even in bed? You're going to be excluded. Get out. Go away. Quiet. Stop talking about how rude. How dare you speak back to Mrs. Gardner? Oh, whatever.
It's fine, it's fine.
Some of the people that left me there even had better
mate,
things to do.
Thank God. Like,
What?
help me out.
I can't, mate. I'm busy at the moment. Sorry. I've got 2 or 3 jobs to do. I can't help you out. I've got to dump the rubbish in the bin.
No, just help me out of the bin.
No, mate. Get one of your mates to do it, all right? I'm really, really busy. Sorry, mate. I'm going to just dump this
No,
here,
no,
all
don't.
right?
No.
All right, see you
help
later.
me out.
Bye.
But luckily for me, there was someone to help.
Buddy, please, come on. Give me a hand. Help me out here.
Let's get you out of there. Let's finish this.
Easy. Try that again. Yeah.
Even though it wasn't easy for him, he carried on.
Thank you so much. Oh.
Anytime.
So after all the others to walk past, there was one, the most unlikely in fact, who turned out to be the most kind.